Welcome to CNN. I'm your host Jerry and welcome to the Presidential Conference. First, without further ado, our President Mr. Barack Obama will speak first.
Hello America, I have stood by our country for 4 years now, and I will continue to. If you re-elect me, please do not make the wrong choice and vote for a racist.
Racist, you say? I'm nowhere near. My granddaddy was black. I am also fighting for our country that you and old Bush have ruined.
You seem like a hater that I am better looking and running all of this.
I think there should be no election. America needs to become a people government, and make laws for ourselves. Who s with me?
Oh hush, you're just a young teen. What America needs is me. A strong, hard-working woman.
Hush Sarah, you lost years ago. Why are you even here?
Why are any of you here? I am going to win it all.
That will never happen. If you vote for me, I will free Boosie.
Well, we will see. Everyone please vote.